New in stock, this performance vehicle won't last long at $977 below NADA retail. All the right toys. Take a road any road. Now add this coupe and watch how that road begins to look like a racetrack. This vehicle has less than 76k miles. Great safety equipment to protect you on the road. Passenger airbag. It is nicely equipped. Power locks, power windows, air conditioning, cruise control, multi-function remote trunk, hatch door, power mirrors, 210 HP horsepower, 4.0 L-liter 5.6 SOHC engine, tilt steering wheel, rear wheel drive.